Biscuits? It's your boy, Biscuit Benny, back at it again on, you know the drill, this big bad girl. If you notice, I got new levers. Check these things out. They are Vortex Race 2.0 levers. They're the shorties and they're adjustable, and it's awesome. I really am a big fan. It's made a huge difference in my shifting, believe it or not, because I don't think that it never occurred to me that the clutch lever wasn't really set where I like it or where I'm used to it. My shifting has become so much smoother ever since making this change. So I don't know. Maybe a tip of mine would be just check your clutch settings, because maybe maybe it's not exactly how you want it. I think it's more like the hydraulic clutch in the SV1000 now than it was before. Before it was kind of sloppy. It's like the Grom was originally with the factory levers. Anyway, I'm out doing a little night ride because it's a beautiful evening out, and it seems like it'd be a shame to kind of just let it go to waste, you know? Hot air balloons out. I mean, come on, does it get much better than that? This bike is really just stupidly fast. It's hard to hold on, honestly. Just ridiculous, you know? Obviously, it's stupid. But I ain't complaining. She's fun. So I got them in black. They offer them in a whole bunch of different colors and long and short, or I guess standard and short versions. But man, I'm a big fan of this sort of all blacked out look. I do like it. Finally got rid of those silver factory levers, so feeling good about this. I didn't really feel like it was worth making an entire video just about replacing these, because it's really simple. I mean, that might be the simplest mod that we've done on this bike so far, so I didn't want to spend an entire video just being like, unscrew these two things, take the bolts off the bottom and slide them right out. So if you guys want to do it, you can figure that out yourself. It really is simple. However, I just wanted to show you what it looks like.